Here at the National Western Stock Show, things are starting to heat up very rapidly around the place.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Edit.
This year's show is going to be a quality show.
Gotta stay there for 8 seconds. Let's get it done.
We can hear you.
Oh, this is going to fit just perfect.
What we basically do, friends, is we take 5 to 7-year-old kids, strap them on the farm animals, and call it entertainment. Let's ride! Come on!
Hold it now.
I love the cows.
A sheep.
The bulls.
I like the little pig.
Horses.
Once you rewind.
I love it.
Here, let's put this cowboy hat right on you. There it goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's pretty cool.